Welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. Ooh, excuse me. I'm going to have to see how much. Okay, this is 92. So this is only like, well, actually, once I mix the yogurt, this is my yogurt and my heavy cream sitting here. And it looks like some of my palm oil uh, didn't totally melt. So it's probably going to be much cooler than that. Hold on one second. Okay, where did I put my, oh, oh, you guys having an issue. Okay. Oh yeah, 89, that's good, that's way closer to what I normally soap at. Well, this is my hot throw recipe. This is the second in our summer solstice soaps that I'm making for you. Yay, I love my solstice soaps. A lot of work goes into the embeds to this, way more work than the embeds from last week, and you know, they sort of progress. This is the highest, Margaritaville being the lowest, but anyway, this is called Kokomo by the Beach Boys, which of course includes John Stamos. I'm sure everybody knows the song Kokomo. If you don't, I will leave a link in the description box below. So this is, I said this already, is my hot door recipe, my yogurt heavy creamer in there. Going to add my lye water, which is distilled water, sodium hydroxide, salt, and sugar. Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you. Yeah, I love this song. This is one of my favorite songs. Like every playlist I have on my iPod has this song on it. I love this song. I love the Beach Boys. Okay, so I'm going to get this to a very light emulsification because I'm going to be using TD with 2 parts of it. Well, actually mixing my TD would be helpful too. I can't believe I didn't mix my TD. Let me get a small spoon. Sorry, guys. Oh, so sorry. And I need a ouncy bit of water. Well, there's a lot of people that I watch that use oil soluble TD. And, oh, where did I put, there it is. I've only ever used water. Is there a benefit to using oil instead of water? Those of you who are soapers, can you answer that question for me? Other than you can have it pre-mixed. Like I always keep my micas in oil mixed. I mean, I'm not sure there's any other benefit to it. Okay, like I said, this is a very light emulsification, so I will be hand stirring my colors. This is a very simple soap, sort of the way Margaritaville is done, the way I'll make that next week. Oh, I didn't say the scent. This is Pna Colada. So I need just enough where my blender is going to go. Why do I have 3 cups out? I don't know. That's really weird. Okay. So, this is what we're going to do. We're going to put a lot of the white in this one. And some of the white in there. And we're going to try to scrape the rest of this white out into there. Because this needs to be pretty stark white right here. And then we're going to use our yellow. Sorry, I'm going to reach over you. And we're going to get our pineapple for our Pna Colada. I need a little bit more of that. Okay. So I want a light yellow, a bright yellow, and then white is what we're doing here. So I will be back after these are stirred up. And as I stir these colors in, I'll stir the fragrance in for it as well. Actually, I lied. I want to make sure. Okay, the batter is much looser than it was last week with Together Forever. And this has got a big clump. I'm going to have to take my stick blender to this one again. That's got a clump of mica in it. Hold on 1 second. Boy, that was faster than a second, wasn't it? The magic of editing. Okay. Alright, now let me get this, make sure that clump is out of there. It is. Okay, let me pour my, oh, there it is. I'm like, where did I put my fragrance? Now, I don't put this in the white because of the vanillin content. I think it's 1.6 or something. I'd rather not chance it. The batter in the light yellow doesn't really change color. And while this is 38 ounces of oils, I don't fragrance my soap really heavily, so I always put just a little bit more. There's 1.45 ounces of fragrance in this 38 ounces of oils, which I think turns out to be like 49 or whatever ounces of soap. Okay, let me grab a paper towel, get this excess alcohol out of here. Ugh. Oh, I could use the towel that was on there and bring you guys down just a little bit. And bring you in. Oop, this way. Let's play out just one. Oh, no, you're good. Let me put Judy over here so she's not in my way. Okay, so we have our light yellow, which I'm pretty much putting all in. We've got my dark yellow, which I will put all in. And I know you don't see much of a difference as I'm pouring this, but as the soap cures, you can see the difference. I used to only do this, the light yellow. And then I thought, no, I really want to do it, with both. And then I thought about doing the base, the ducky yellow that I have, which or canary yellow or whatever it is. And I thought, nah. And this looks like it might need a chopstick, which I don't usually have to do with these fragrances. Like I said, soaping 10 degrees hotter for me makes all the difference. Just that 10 degrees with my recipes. It's so amazing to me how that works. Because I'll tell you, when I first started soaping, I listened to all the books. I got a soap, 120 and this, that, and the other, and I'm like, why is this not working? And over the years, I've realized that your recipe really depends on what temperature you're going to soap at. Sorry, a little air bubbles coming up. Okay, so this is going to stay like it is. I'm going to dump my white. Oh, you know what? Let me run a quick stainless steel skinny end chopstick through it just in case. And then the other way, just in case there wasn't enough swirl there. Alright, I'm going to bang it. And I got bubbles again. Look at that. Boop, boop. These bubbles, I tell ya. Okay, so I will come back when the piping is set up. Okay, finally ready for piping. It took forever to set up. Oh shoot, and I'm not sure it's completely set up with my hot hands. This might, oh, I gotta turn it around. It might melt on me. So what I'm gonna start with is down the middle. And I'm gonna do a little bit of finagling. I'm gonna do it. This is a closed star tip. So I like for this to have sort of like the whipped cream look to it on the top. I'm not sure how straight that is, and then I'm going to do little ones over here. Gotta keep twisting my bag. Like I always tell y'all, twist your bag, twist your bag. And I'm gonna come right here next to it. And if I have enough, I'm gonna bring that piping in the center up a little bit, which I don't think I do. I may just put a little dollop on the top. Okay. All right. Now, for this one, I want to put a little bit of glitter on it prior to what I'm going to do here. Just a little bit. And now, what I've made for this one, I've made cherries and pineapple pieces. So, let me turn this back around so I can see my things. Can you guys see this? Okay, let me alcohol this. Alcohol all these little pieces too. Let me alcohol them on my napkin right here. Okay, so the cherries, because there's a a dimple where the cherry pit would go, and then there's that, the line that the cherry has. I like to put that part, oh, slippery. I like to put that part right there, and then my pineapple piece right next to it. So that pineapple piece is gonna take, oh, what is this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I don't know why there's a red ball there. I wonder if I was gonna make another one because I didn't like one and then ended up not doing it. So here is my cherry. And then I'm so sorry my camera died. I went ahead and placed all my cherries and pineapples on here. So I apologize for my camera dying. I was just blah, 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 and I didn't see it. So in 18 to 24 hours, we will cut this soap. I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. Back to cut Kokomo. Alright, let's see what we got. I did Kokomo a little bit different this year than I did last. Oh, yes, I was hoping that this yellow right here, this darker yellow, would have shown up. Oh, I just made a mark in it. Would show up a little bit more, but it did not. Let me fix that. It's still soft on the inside because it's still thawing out. So I think next year when I make this, I will use my, what's it called? My neon. So I like it. I like it, like it. Very good. I do. I like it. And like I said last week, my grandson might make his way down here when he realizes I'm not upstairs. he just turned 4, and for Christmas, I don't know, I told you guys this. For Christmas, my husband and I got him a year's subscription to ABC Mouse. And I'm going to tell you what, that boy is so super smart. We do our ABC Mouse on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And today is a Friday night. Game 3 of the Bruins and Carolina. Go Carolina! And we did this new one where it was like a new game that we haven't done before, because he's 4 years old, just turned 4 on April 27th, and today is May 7th. And he knows his numbers 1 through 20 and can recognize all of his ABCs. But we just played this game where you have on the side of your screen like a grocery list, and there's like a market that you can, move back and forth horizontally, and you have to find the items on the shelves of the market to fill your list. And he did so great. I was so proud of him. He's just so super smart. Super smart. Okay, 3 more. I know it's pretty similar all the way through, but, might as well cut it all with you. Oh, I should show you the top of it to show you what it looks like. So that way you get a nice view of it. This last piece, I'm going to have to plane. I can't take an end piece off of it. Oh, look at that. There's a heart. So I will go ahead and plane this last piece. And thanks as always for sticking with me. And I will see you next week. Bye-bye.